Every good dish starts with intention, and today we're building flavor from the ground up. These chicken legs are the foundation. Simple, humble, but ready to become something special. Garlic steps in first, bold, fragrant, and unapologetic. Then comes cracked black pepper, not just heat, but character. Lemongrass joins the mix, bringing that bright, citrusy lift that wakes everything up. A splash of soy sauce adds depth, that savory backbone every good marinade needs. And of course, Calamansi, sharp, vibrant, unmistakably ours. We bring it all together, letting the chicken soak up every note of flavor. Into the pan it goes, skin hitting the oil with that perfect sizzle. We sear until golden, letting the aroma fill the kitchen. Then we lower the heat, cover the pan, and let time do its quiet work. When the chicken is tender, we introduce the final touch, butter. A little sugar if you want balance, or leave it bold and bright. We spoon that calamansi butter glaze over the chicken, letting it cling to every curve. And just like that, a simple idea becomes a soulful meal. Comfort, brightness, and home, all on one plate. Thanks for watching. If this brought you joy, show some love and subscribe. And stick around for the next dish.